Maharashtra is facing its worst drought in decades, but despite being a water-scarce area, there are acres and acres of land being used for water-guzzling sugarcane, the last crop that should be grown here. An RTI application has found that in some districts as much as 40% to 65% of the land is under sugarcane, and it all has to do with vote bank politics, with many politicians running sugar factories.
Half of Maharashtra parched in the pangs of a severe drought. No water for men or animals. But thriving alongside acre after acre of lush green sugarcane fields, not a miracle, but as RTI documents reveal, simply lopsided agricultural practices. Government policies are clear. Only 5% of irrigated land can be used for cash crops like sugarcane. This as they need far more water than traditional crops. But the RTI confirms in Pune, the bastion of the Deputy Chief Minister and NCP leader Ajit Pawar, 40% of land is used only for sugarcane.
There is a need to change the cropping pattern, particularly in the irrigated area. The sugarcane crop area has increased. That is mainly because the sugarcane has a better prices as compared to other crops.
Perhaps too late. The government claims 3 years ago sugarcane was cultivated in 4 out of the 25 lakh hectares of irrigated land in Maharashtra. By 2012, the figure jumped to 10 lakh hectares. 65% of the sugar produced in western Maharashtra alone, the Pawar family stronghold.
So why so much sugarcane is grown in Maharashtra's drought-prone regions? The short answer: to create vote bank, where politicians set up sugar factories, form cooperatives, make the sugarcane farmer completely dependent on them, and then use them during election time.
As agricultural experts have been saying, sugarcane is like a cancer to the agricultural economy of Maharashtra. Nearly 13 ministers of the state cabinet, of around 30 ministers, have holdings. They either directly own sugar factories or they have considerable shares in them. So this is we say that rather than the backbone of the agricultural economy, sugarcane is right now the backbone of the political economy of Maharashtra.
The government insists the priority is water for drinking and not industry. But politicians come sugar barons have been illegally lifting water to crush sugar.
खेती के लिए पानी जा रहा है, उसका क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र ने फिक्स किया है 1993 में. उसमें लिखा गया है कि ओनली 5% फॉर शुगर केन एंड पेरिनियल्स. अभी जो उनका प्लानिंग है उसके मुताबिक 40% वाटर विल गो फॉर शुगर केन.
Misplaced priorities mixed with vested interests. The result, a drought of epic proportions. With Imtiaz Jalil in Pune, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.